Hello guys, it's my account. My name is KAMS number. KAMS means kill all monsters. I know this is bad, but it's kind of accurate. Okay, don't begins. Just show you this. Bruh, ads. Why am I in the ad? Yeah, bruh. I'm back. I might come back. I might come back. Bro, help. Go Scooty. I'm exiting out. Yay. Yay. What? The video free mode. Bro, my mom's watching Dr. Phil right now. And that's the extra stuff. Oh, cool. Time to kill someone. I looked up on accident. Fall. Oops, fell. I fell. I'm fine. Yeah. Chickenator. Why do I see Chickenator? Oh, why am I falling? Why all of us fall? Why am I falling? The dupla. Tacto from Team Wedding. That's what he means. Oh wait, why do I keep pacing me? I will code the back one more time. That's it. Oh. Yes, Sonic to the sky. Yeah. I'm better than you. Yeah, I'm also better than you too. Yeah. But the team moves so bad. Bro, he's not tough. The outfit. Wait.
Hey!
You have to repeat. I'm looking for that person.
Mercy!
Oh, that's my mom. Throw the tears. Die. So I thought I had the one shot ring. Not the one shot ring. I thought it was the one shot bazooka for a second. Oh no. The headshot. Shot. Because I look like you see me, that is what I look like. I have different outfits. So let me show you the outfits. Fits. Even the worst save game almost. Let me show you. Chick. This is chick. Make a chicken. I bet this is supposed to be. That was based on Mechagodzilla, and Mecha Chick was based on Mechagodzilla too. Mecha Chick. Oh, Mecha Chick. Yeah, Chicken. Yeah, he has the same glasses as the one I was just using. Venom skin. This was actually some random thing, by the way. Chicken too. I accidentally forgot I had the wrong beak. Venom skin too. He has a really long nose. That's how long nose is. It can reach from the screen. It can reach his back and reach for the screen, and he can reach for that. Yes, he also has a bit check. Alright, I forgot to show chicken too. Skin 1. That's my skin. Besides, he looks so good. I was my dog. He's still a baby. He's like 4 months old. He's actually a puppy. This is like the one I was just wearing. I forgot to tell, but I love that. I only have 19. I don't have these ones. I have this, but this is actually good stuff. Look how much that is. I'm not buying any kittens, but anyway, bye bye.